My mom's gonna show you guys how to make New Mexico style tortillas.
So I wash my hands very good, and I usually like to have like the all-purpose flour, probably about 3.5 cups.
3.5 cups of all-purpose flour.
Roughly, yes.
I know you guys don't measure, right? So let's see how much in your hand you pour then.
About this much.
That's baking powder?
Yeah, baking powder.
Okay.
Then there's salt. About this much.
Okay.
Maybe a little bit more, because I didn't put enough last time.
Okay.
So just a tiny bit more. Then I kind of mix this a little bit before I put the shortening of the lard in. I like putting lard, even manteca with bacon.
Oh.
We got bacon grease there, but...
Bacon grease. Oh.
I made some sopapillas. Yeah, and I didn't want to lose it. That's just from the sopapillas, little burnt part.
Oh, okay.
But I'm not going to get that part. I'm just going to get the lard part.
How do we know how much to
Just
put?
a little bit, just a little bit. About there. You'll see when you start putting it together.
Well, I was telling you about how much lard to put.
Maybe 2 tablespoons.
About 2 tablespoons of lard?
Yeah.
If we're using lard?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure you mix it real well. Okay, and then I want to put hot water, not boiling hot. You're gonna need it to where it feels not real sticky.
Okay.
And you gotta work with it. So let's just start with a little.
But you're gonna show us the consistency it has to be, right?
Yes. So just keep mixing it in. You'll feel it if it's too sticky.
And it's warm water, Mom?
Warm. It's getting sticky.
Dang, tortillas, is that simple?
Yeah.
I need to learn how to roll them so they don't come out looking like Texas.
See? And a little bit more. Keep mixing it in. You're gonna need more. See how it's dry right here?
Oh, yeah.
So we'll just put a little more. You don't want to over put them.
So a
either
little bit at a
because-
time.
Yeah, because you over put them, you get it really sticky, and then you have to add flour and just kind of mix it in. You can see it's already turning to be a masa. But see, down here, there's still more.
Still dry a little bit?
A little bit at a time. Just keep kneading it. See, right there's a little sticky, so let's just keep kneading it. Okay, a little bit more. Feel it. And what I do is you get just a little piece like this. Pick up your sides.
Dang, that looks like some good exercise.
Yeah.
This is the first time they're making a masa.
Yeah, I'm recording my mom to make a video to the camera.
You were making a masa.
Oh yeah, next time it'll be me.
It's more or less okay. So let's just go ahead and get it out of here so we can knead it some more. See, more or less,
Oh, okay.
just keep kneading it now.
Put it on the counter and
Yep.
we'll knead it some more.
And to me, it seems like it's a little bit tough still, so I might want to put a little bit more water in it. I want it just right, so
Okay. Oh, so you can still put a little bit more?
just a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Because you want to make it softer. You want to knead it good, see?
Dang, that looks like a good exercise.
A little bit more.
I don't even have to go to the gym, just make tortillas.
Perfect. This is the way
That's
I want
perfect?
it. Yeah, okay. This is perfect to me. It's not real hard, and it's not real sticky, so it's just perfect. See that?
Oh, okay, okay.
So now what I want to do is I want to roll it, and I want to cover it for about 15 minutes.
Oh, that's to let it rise?
Yeah, just let it rise.
Oh,
you can start
so you
making
do that
it.
with tortillas too?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought only the freaking fancy people, they got it from us, huh?
Yeah. Okay, and then just let it sit for about 15 minutes. And I'll let you know what happens after.
All right, sounds good. We'll see you back in 15 minutes, and then we'll tell you the next step. Stay tuned. What is that called, a comal?
Mm-hmm.
That's for the tortillas.
You put it at medium high.
Medium high?
Mm-hmm. You take it off, and it looks like this. See how pretty it looks? So now, we want to make the little rolls, I guess it's called. And I cut a piece like this, and just start making them round. They should look like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that's one. Just use your own judgment, how big you want to make them or how small. You can go smaller, you can go bigger.
Dang. So you make a bunch of those.
Yeah, I like to do all mines right away and then start cooking them.
And each one of those is a tortilla?
Each one of these is a tortilla.
All right. We'll see you guys soon once we get them all made out.
So I'm gonna start just making one. I'm not sure if I have to,
Make any adjustments?
yeah, like to the heat or anything. So,
So that's how you roll it. You just flip it,
you just
you
flip
roll it out.
Yeah, and you can kind of get the feel of where it's too big.
Look guys, she's even using the old school voleo. If you guys don't know what a voleo is, that's
Rolling pin.
the wooden one. How long have you had that rolling pin, Mom?
I don't know. I think Dad made it for me. I don't know.
Oh,
if it's
really?
been
You
a
made
while.
it for you?
Yeah. I think I couldn't find mine anywhere.
You guys had a bigger one, right?
Yeah. Okay. So
Dang.
more or less, and then you just kind of do this thing to it.
Okay.
It makes it a little rounder, I guess.
Oh, okay.
And then just throw it in here, and we'll see.
You don't need grease on this or nothing, right?
Nothing. No.
Just like that.
Yeah, you'll start seeing the bubbles. That means it's cooking. So I don't know how hot it is yet. If I have to minimize it or put it up, but you can start in the next one in the meantime.
So you don't know about how long. I know you probably never thought about it, but
You pick up a corner of it, and you can see.
my mom and my grandma has been doing this for many years. How many years, Grandma? Tortillas. All your life. 90 years old. How old were you when you first started making tortillas?
I was
About 10 or 11?
You can
Oh,
use your hands to flip them, but right now I don't want to do it, so I just use either a fork
Oh yeah,
or a
that's a
knife.
safe way. Oh, there you go.
See, that still needs a little bit more.
You guys can use a spatula or whatever you're comfortable with.
I'll put them in here and then cover them.
Oh, okay.
So this one's probably about ready.
You can smell it. It smells so good.
See? Smells good.
Wow.
With some butter.
And look, we're warming up chile here. My dad has some beans going here. Oh man, it looks good.
I like to check it periodically. See, this needs just a little bit more. Start on your other one, that way you're ready for the next one.
I'm gonna have to learn how to freaking do that and make them round. And I have OCD. I'm gonna have to make sure they're round. And about what's the thickness, Mom?
It all depends how you like them. Some people like them extremely thin, and you can make them thin.
So that's personal preference on the thickness. But you don't want them too thick because that's gonna be doughy in the middle too, right?
Yeah, and you can tell it starts lowering here from the edges. And we
Oh,
flipped it.
okay.
There you go.
Oh, that looks perfect.
See?
Oh
So-
man.
Just leave it there for another 2 seconds.
I can't wait.
See? Perfect.
Wow.
Let's go to the next one.
All right, I'm gonna do a taste test right now. Here goes the taste test, guys. Oh man. My dad put some fresh butter. Oh my goodness. If you guys can taste this, man, delicious. Oh, it's so good. Thank you, Mom. You good, Grandma?
And there's nothing like real butter on your tortillas. I know it's fattening, but this is how us Spanish people were brought up.
And that's how you make tortillas. Mexico made tortillas. If you guys try this recipe, leave me a comment and tell me how they came out.
Ask them where they're from.
Drop a comment and let us know where you're from. Peace.